The people of Malakand division in general, and of the beautiful Swat Valley in particular, have mastered the art of woodcraft. Their association with wood and woodcraft goes back to times immemorial. Rahmat Gul and his son Ibrahim have inherited this delicate craft from their forefathers, who no doubt had their links with Kandhara and even ancient times. Rahmat Gul stands aloft in the whole of Swat Valley for his superb craftsmanship and skill. Behind his perfection lies 60 years of hard work, keen observation and enthusiasm. Years during which he studied and mastered the art and science of woodcraft. His forefathers had been doing the same since long. These exquisite models of excellent craftsmanship are considered as very precious antiques. Even today, different articles and tools made of wood with attractive designs and patterns can be seen in every household. Religion as well as faith has great importance for the people of the woodlands. The aesthetic sense and artistic skill of these craftsmen has reached its peak in expressing their love and deep attachment with the divine in the construction and decoration of mosques. The age-old, superbly constructed and beautifully decorated mosques speak volumes of the skill and love of the devotees. Valuable pine wood has been used throughout with great adroitness and artistic skill. The architectural landmarks of olden times speak eloquently about the greatness of the past masters of woodcraft. Availability in abundance of the durable pine wood has provided a reliable source of income, employment and livelihood for the inhabitants of the region. As the wood is strong and durable, its use in various constructions guarantees the durability of the buildings. The creative ability and aesthetic sense of the craftsman has given a unique dimension to architectural design.